Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys have heard this song, right? My Oasis by Sam Smith and Burna Boy. So yeah, in today's video we're going to be doing the song cover artwork, which is my Oasis, which is this one right here, my Oasis. So we're just going to create something fancy, which is Save Me. I named it Save Me by Christian Osode featuring my girl, that's me featuring my friend. So let's jump right in. So now we have to create a new canvas which is 2900 by 2900 pixel. Yes, pixels. 2900 by 2900, 1500 dpi or ppi. So once that's created, then you just have to make a new layer. Of course you make a new layer because that's what you work on. You don't want to work on your background layer because you can't edit things on the background unless you just delete everything. You have to delete everything. So once that's done, you pick a dark shade, a dark color, a dark color, whatever. Then you fill it in. Then once you fill that in, you create another layer. Then you try to make, I think, a rectangle. Yeah, a rectangle, or something that's like a rectangle that's standing upwards, or square, whatever shape you may call it, just to have that kind of. But before you do that, you drag your ruler to the center, and then you try to move a bit. Just try to do the math yourself. You don't have to make it like accurate, but do the math. Just estimate which place is going to be perfect for the other rectangle. So once you've done that, you go to your uh, rectangle tool. Yeah, rectangle tool, and then you go to your rectangle tool and then you draw it over the initial, whatever. Then you give it a pink, or what's the color, that kind of color you see in this song, that thing that's like pink, that's like, I don't even know what color it is. It's like pink or something, but yeah, you just fill it in, and then once you've done that, you rasterize the rectangle layer. Then after that one, as you can see, I'm just trying to look for the perfect color that will go for this. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm just looking for the perfect color. Yes, I feel like that should be just that for for this one. And while you're doing this, just make sure, you may want to do something like this if you are an artist or you do songs. You just want to make something, something that you feel like you want to do. But you could use my video for reference if you don't want to do something exactly like this. I have tons of videos, or I'll keep making more videos on how to do this. So yeah, you use your text tool this time, and then try to write anything, any random thing. So I'm going to use Save Me. Not sad. I was thinking of using sad before, but I ended up not using sad. So instead, I'll use Save Me, because who would like to sing a song called Sad? That's by the way. So, I'll use Save Me for this one. SAV, come on, VE, and then me. Yes. So I'll change the um. I'll change the typeface. I'll change. The fonts. Sorry, I'm just trying to look for the perfect fonts to use for this video. I'm looking for a font that's similar to the original one, but I don't think I have it. So for this video, I'm going to use Clarendon. Clower, whatever. I think it's a default font in every PC, I guess. Clarendon, because I probably did not download that font from anywhere. I've been using it. Not that I've been using it, I see it every time when I'm just looking for a typeface or a font, but I don't use it for my videos, or my artworks and my stuff. So I guess I'm going to go for Clarendon. Where is Clarendon? Where is the Clarendon? Okay, I think I've seen it. So and I'm still searching for the good fonts, but I don't think I would use much. Like, I don't think I'll go too far to look for. I'll probably use one of the Clarendrons. I mean, I have the Clarendron BLK, bold and blah blah blah, whatever it's called. So yeah, I've picked my. And then I have to change the color to the color of the background, that's like black or gray, whatever. Then you try to increase the size of this the name of the song, which is Save Me, which I used. So once you've done that, you would right click by going to, clockwise, and then you would take it a bit to the right. Yeah, that should be how it was done, I think. Yes, so you're almost done with the odds. So once you've reached this spot, point, you pretty much duplicate the text, the Save Me, whatever name of song that you have there, and then you duplicate that, and then you take it to the normal, like the normal, I don't know what's called, alignment, position, whatever. Then you try to change the one which you have duplicated to the color of the second background, the other color that's like pink, the pink color, the brighter color, whatever. Yes, so once you finished with that one, and yeah, I have to toggle that off so I'll be able to see it clearly. So now, as you can see, I have the duplicated font up there. So that is where you have to put the artist's name, which is myself. I don't sing. I can't sing. I mean, I used to sing in high school, but that's a long time ago. But I give up. It wasn't my calling. It wasn't my thing. Not sing per se. I used to rap. Whatever. They are all the same on that music. So that's by the way. So yes, we have done this one. So we have to reduce the size of the text. That is the artist's name. We have to reduce the size. So in that one, it was Burna Boy. I mean, it was Sam Smith featuring Burna Boy. I can't remember. I think it was it Sam Smith featuring Burna Boy? Let me see. Oh yes, it's Sam Smith featuring Burna Boy. Forgive me. So yes, you have the artist's name. Now you put the person he featured. So I'm going to use my imaginary friend, which is Michael. I mean, there's nobody with me in this room right now while I'm recording this video. So this will featuring Michael. Oh, let me see. Let me just try to use something else. Let me use Yvonne. No, Yvonne is my sister. Does she sing? She does, but she's not going to be interested in this. So I'll probably erase her name. Let me take that away. Not Yvonne. Let me see. Yeah, Michael. Yeah, Michael. So yes, in the song cover, in the artwork, we have like a square, like another square with like flowers inside, I guess. So I'll create a new layer for that one. So I'll go to my brush tool, and then since I have all these abstract kind of brushes, if you're doing yours, you can just use any PNG file that is whatever. That's really simple. You don't need to use too much or something. But for me, for this video, since I want to do something similar to the artwork, I'm just going to use my brush tool, like one of the stuff I have, like pick the brighter color, and then I just put that in, and then I would create a square, like a square for this, like a bound, like a box, like a bounding box surrounding that thing, those three triangles. Yeah, the triangles. And you just have to do it. So I mean, while imitating the artwork done by, I don't know the artist that did that one for Burna Boy and Sam Smith, but the artwork is kind of simple. So when you're doing this, you hold shift so you get a perfect square. Then you reduce the size of the square in the properties panel at the right or wherever you have a properties panel in your Photoshop, that is your business. So you just try to reduce the size of the. Yeah, I'm really sorry. My videos have been kind of random. Like I just wake up and think of something and then just try to make them, because I'm no longer following the sequence. I mean, I'm trying to do something whereby I have like a playlist of just this one for cover arts, and then another playlist for digital art, and another playlist for maybe some basic Photoshop manipulation, whatever, blah blah blah. I'm just trying to do something simple here on my channel, and I'm also trying to. I've not had the time to do some vlogs and my basketball videos. Wow, well, I play basketball as well, but I don't do those things. So I'm just pretty much putting my arts and my dance videos here. So I hope you guys will be here for my next video. Just be available. But please, if you're watching this video, do not forget to subscribe. Like, you have to subscribe because I have more things on the way. I mean, if I'm to show you guys my artwork now, like all my arts, well, I don't have to show you. I'm just this is for like that will be for another day. Maybe I'll make a review on my art itself. But you guys need to see my art to check instagram.com/graphicsuniverse. That's where my art, like my artworks are. So yeah, I'm almost done with this art piece, I think, because the original one, you reduce the line of the square, and then that's pretty much it for this video. I mean, there's nothing else to add, there's nothing else to subtract. This is all that was done for the cover art. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. I mean, if you like it, like literally hit it like and like the video, and the bell icon, subscribe, turn on post notification. That's the bell icon. Yes, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my next video, which I'm going to, and that should be it. Oh, these are the previous artwork I did. I didn't make a video for this one because it was too long. So you guys, bye. Thanks for watching this video, and